Let's bring in our expert Saurabh Jain, who's joining us right now, head of research at SMC Global. Saurabh, great having you with us. Let's get your top stock ideas. Berger Paints, again, consumption as a play is still doing pretty good. Does Berger Paint belong to that same category? What makes you bullish on this stock?
If you see the paint industry in the last 2 decades, the industry has always grown in the double digits. You see the current demand from the decorative segment is huge, and and that is the area where the company drives its maximum revenue. We have seen in the last 2 quarters that there are some pressures on the operating profit margins on account of rise in raw material costs, particularly crude. But having said that, because of the huge demand in the decorative segment, company has has increased pricing its product prices 2 times so far in this financial years, in May and in June. So far the price increase has been done by the companies close to 7%, and another 2% is on the cards. If you see on the expansion part, the company is looking to add 1.5 lakh ton capacity in the Andhra Pradesh in the year 2014. Going by the business, if you see, we are expecting that the company would be easily achieving 20% plus growth run rate in revenues and top line and as well as in bottom line. As far as the margins are concerned, we see that the company would be able to secure its margins because of the recent hikes and the softness coming in the commodity prices. So all in all, the stock is trading at a multiple of 22 of its trailing 12 months earnings, and we expect that the stock can give 20% kind of a return in a year's time. So we recommend a strong buy on it.